Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you will never, ever again spend hours editing your videos. So, let's dive in. Introducing Filmora Editor. Filmora's latest version brings smart, AI-powered video editing, turning long videos into high-quality short clips in just a few clicks. The interesting part is that it is available on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Here are some exciting features of Filmora 14. 1. AI Smart Shorts Clips. No need to spend hours manually editing long videos into short ones. Filmora's Smart Short Clips identifies the best hooks, highlights, and key moments, then seamlessly rearranges them into engaging, shareable
Welcome to our
clips,
show. Today we have a lovely couple
media.
with us, Alex and Jamie.
2. AI Automatic Caption. No more manually adding captions. Filmora's AI generates them automatically, making your videos more accessible and boosting engagement across all platforms. 3. AI Color Palette. Want seamless color grading? Filmora's AI Color Matcher analyzes your reference images or video frames and creates a matching palette, applied in just one click. 4. Keyframe Animation. Want to zoom in smoothly on specific moments in your videos? Filmora's keyframe animation makes it effortless to add professional zoom effects with just a few clicks. 5. AI Text-Based Editing. Filmora's AI can automatically transcribe vocals and voiceovers into editable text, saving you time and effort in editing scripts. 6. AI Thumbnails. Filmora finds the best shots from your video and lets you design custom thumbnails quickly and easily, with preset templates for added convenience. Ready to elevate your video content? Download Filmora today and let AI do the heavy lifting. Follow the link in the description of this video to get started. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Turn on the notification button for more valuable content.